Namaskar friends. Friends, at the outset I wish to thank the team NPTEL for providing us a wonderful platform for discussion and knowledge sharing. I wish to place on record my most sincere appreciation for their laudable efforts. Friends, why a course on processing of polymers and polymer composites? We have already recorded a course on processing of non-metals, and as you are well aware that there is lot of, we can say, audience which has already gone through the lectures related to processing of non-metals. The emphasis has been on polymers and polymer composites in the current course. Why? Because the course is not an undergraduate course, and most of the engineers pass out their engineering maybe from mechanical or from production or industrial automobile engineering without having any fundamental knowledge regarding the processing of polymers and polymer composites. Therefore, we have discussed it at various levels, and it was thought that we should develop a course which is going to give us information related to the processing of polymers and polymer based composites. Also, the feedback that we received from our course on processing of non-metals, it was found out that the students, the learners, the audience wishes to have animated videos which show the processes, and all those things now have been incorporated into this course. Friends, we have a large galaxy of videos, a large gallery of videos, a large library of videos available on the YouTube and other such channels which are highly useful to us as learners. So we have tried to find out the best videos which best describe the process that we are discussing, and we have incorporated a video for each and every process that we are going to cover in this course. So with videos and animations, I think the understanding becomes more and more clear. As the title of the course suggests, processing of polymers and polymer composites, there are three important words in this title, that is the processing, polymer and polymer composites. So our focus would primarily be on the tools and techniques and the methods which are used for processing of polymers and polymer composites. The course deals with the study of basic nature of different polymers. We will see a basic introduction related to polymers and polymer composites, and finally we will try to understand the manufacturing processes associated with these two types of materials. The various processing techniques of polymers such as extrusion, injection molding, compression molding, rotational molding, blow molding and other methods will be explained with the help of relevant examples, videos, schematic diagrams and the application areas. Friends, after the success of the course on product design and development, there has been a request to come up with a new course which is not covered at the UG level, and therefore the current course, that is the course on processing of polymers and polymer composites, has been conceptualized, designed and developed, and I feel that the students or the learners who go through or who register for the course will definitely get benefited by the contents of the course, as the contents are not usually covered at the UG level, and more so in the MOOCs they will also get certified for the course. Thank you.